Today I'm going to be reviewing another fishing report website, obviously because I chose to make a fishing blog for this class. So the website I chose today is njfishing.com. It's probably one of the biggest report and resource sites for New Jersey fishermen on the internet. And here we have the home page, which is covered by a bunch of paid advertisements for charter boats or party boats. And I think that's really well designed to start off with because it gives you a bunch of options to get out and fish immediately with great recommendations. And as we continue through here, they have a nice map of New Jersey with all different spots to fish at, labeled freshwater or saltwater. Into the next thing here, we have their menu tab up here above, and all in all, it's a solid homepage for sure. Definitely easily accessible and easy to use. So we'd go into the message board here, which would be like the blog section, and you have all these different forums. Very well designed. Obviously, you could find what you're looking for very easily if you're looking for freshwater fishing or saltwater fishing, charter boats. There's a best of section. There's all different types of tips, classifieds, recipes, pretty much everything to do with fish and in the state of New Jersey you could find on this website in different forums. And quite well organized, easy to use, easy to find. So that's our message board. Easy list of charter boats in all different areas in New Jersey, very helpful. And then obviously party boats, which are day fare boats, probably a little cheaper than charters because charters are private. And then you have even resources, tides, moon, water temps, wind information, weather, articles about how to fish, tackle and bait shop links, boating services, and even waterside restaurants. So as we can see, this is a very all-inclusive website with pretty much everything fishing related on it, even fish restaurants. So all in all, this is a very well designed website, and there's definitely a reason why it's the #1 website for anything fishing related in New Jersey.